back with another video because today we're gonna do the leftover fireworks, and you can hear the fireworks right now. I'm gonna have to wait for my cousin and my other cousin. We're gonna do leftover fireworks. Leftover fireworks in my leftover fireworks. I don't know if you see that right there. Fireworks right there too. I'm about to video. It's all to get out. We're gonna be in the backyard. Fireworks. Leftover fireworks. I'm just gonna be up. So let's get started. Yeah! Alright, let me pause it first. Hey guys, we're out here. See myself. Alright, so hold up. Let me get my back out here. Damn, all those fireworks. Damn! Alright, so we're going through. I don't know which one. Oh! Alexi, get the thing! Not that one. It looks like. Watch out, watch out! I'm seeing. Look at it, look at it. That's a great color. You never know when it shoots. Huh? It is? Alright, do it up. Do it up in the air then. You never know if it shot. Oh, it changes colors. That's pretty cool. It looks like blue on here, but actually green. Do it up there. You never know if it does. If it does shoot or something. Damn, that takes so long. Oh! Oh! Look at that! This is the leftover fireworks. Some leftover fireworks. Look at that. I'm about to go through that, John. Oh! Oh, let me blow it.
Oh, get another firework.
There.
Oh, this gonna really burn me, yo. Fuck.
Chill. Just leave it like that, bro. Chill. I know it burns. Just like control, like control.
It
You
doesn't
alright?
burn. It's
It like yeah, it does that. Lick it. You have to lick it. Alright, let's do a tank. Try to do a tank or this one for mine. This is mine. Want me to do this one?
Yeah.
What fun. I'm gonna do a crazy eye. Oh gosh. It hurts, right? See, Angel said, "Oh, I'll bet you." It like yeah, like that. It like hurts. It just hurts. Alright, so I'm gonna do this one. Alright, ready? So I'm gonna. It's on crackles though. I know it's because it doesn't stand up. Damn, that joint burns. That joint's crazy, dog. Yeah, cause it doesn't stand up right. Alright, so we're gonna run away? No. Alright, we out. Look at it right there, the spark.
It's not gonna spin.
It is. It's spinning. Watch out, cause you never know if it. Alexi, yeah, it's gonna crackle. Whoa! Yo, that was crazy. Let's do one of the tanks or do another one. Do another one.
Do a tank.
Tank, alright, fine. Let's see what the tank does, cause I haven't seen one. No, cause that's gonna shatter that way. So let's go this way, cause if it goes this way, it's gonna sparkle this way. It's crazy. It's right there. Oh shoot! Look at it. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, it's supposed to move, but not yet. That's the top one. It moves when it's the bottom one. That's all? It didn't burn the bottom ones. It didn't burn the bottom. It only did the top. It's supposed to do the bottom one, the two bottom ones. Rip off. You alright?
Yeah.
You good? Take it, man. Take it like I did. That joint hurt. Like when I burn, I get burned by the green thing. Put it up. I'll stand it up and then I'll let it go like that. Fuck. Sounds crazy. it. Look at it. Let's. Oh, there's smoke. Then it goes to the. Oh, there we go. That's what it's supposed to do. That's what it's supposed to do. Look at that. Look at that. And then it does the top one and it just fires. Oh. We're here. You good? I'm asking you. You good?
I'm just put some toothpaste. This one.
What? That joint's crazy, right? Come on, yo. How we did that? It's going to swim. There it is. Spin is crazy. Oh my gosh, it fell. It fell.
It fell.
Yeah, it fell. It like fell. It stopped spinning. I'll do another one. Yo, look at that! I don't know if y'all can see the red thing, but that red thing, the red thing is This is I didn't burn myself. No. It's just like when it's up, it like see? Hate that. I burned myself.
A little bit?
Yeah. Like by the thing.
By this lighter.
Yeah, like the lighter, but it doesn't hurt.
Yo no tenía miedo, ni mi culpa.
Alright, so I'm about to do a fountain. Yeah, I'm about to do a fountain.
Ve, yo tengo miedo.
No, these are. Oh, hold up. Do one for my little brother.
Yeah.
These little sparkly things.
¿Quieres uno, Alexi?
Yeah, get it one?
Sí, muy bien.
I'll do one too.
Uno de tu mano.
I'll do one too. No lo mueva.
No lo muevas, no lo muevas. No lo muevas, Alexi. It's moving.
I
Lo
know.
está
he is.
moviendo, Alex. No lo muevas.
Wait. Here, do mine. Do mine, cause.
Hold on, let me go. Put it right there.
There it is. Alexis!
A ver.
Come on, brother! Hold up.
Pon ahí. Ah, ponlo, ya. Más.
A ver!
Ponete más.
Come on, yo!
Así, ya. No, más.
Oh. Here, give me it, you dumb man. Yes, nigga. There you go. Look, do a show. Yeah. It's crazy. Oh, it's about to go out. Alexi, cuidado. Watch out, cause I ain't trying to burn yourself as a little kid. What you doing? Oh, that one? I'm about to do a fountain. Do this little fountain.
Maca.
Burn this, yo. Burn this.
Here. Vamos a poner with this shit. Ya, déjalo.
You see the green thing? I see. You see the green thing right there? Watch out, Alexi. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know, cause I'm trying to light up some more fireworks, so. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace. Damn, finished.